The app I chose to do was Narrable, and it's just a really easy website that students, parents, teachers can go to, and you can combine your voice with any photos that you want to create a story rather than writing it out and drawing pictures. So this is the home page. If you scroll down, there's ways you can use it, and then a little bit more, there's ways you can use it as an educator. You can create wedding albums or family photo albums with stories along with them. I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to click on Get Started to create my own. And then from there you can upload photos from Facebook or any that you have on your computer. And I'm just going to upload a few just as an example. And hit open. And the one that I want to be my cover photo, I'm going to drag down to this corner and then title my story, Zach's first day of school. And then you just hit create. And well, you can click through your book. It'll show all the pages. If you want to add audio, you click on the little microphone button, and then you can upload audio you already have, or you can record audio right now. And you can do that for each picture. And then you would just click save. Some useful ways that you can use this is to keep students engaged. It's another way to tell a story rather than drawing pictures and writing out the story. They can practice their speaking skills as well as their writing skills, and then it really sparks their imagination if they're this type of learner. You can make comic books, you can make stories of your own life, you can narrate a vacation you went on with pictures, or you can use it as a really cool way to make a book in another, and then you can narrate it in your foreign language that the students are learning to help them practice that more. And that is about all.